If you're always on the go for work, this rolling laptop bag could be a lifesaver. Brand sent it over to us and compensated us for this video, but this laptop bag can hold laptops up to 15.6 inches, but there are other sizes available, and the padding gives solid protection. It's compact, but has plenty of space with multiple compartments. The main section fits your laptop snugly, while the secondary compartment is great for documents, notebooks, or even other work essentials. There's also a front pocket for things like pens, chargers, and business cards, so you can grab what you need without digging around. The material is very tough and water repellent. If you ever get caught out in the rain, you won't have to worry about your laptop getting soaked. Plus, it has a telescopic handle, which has 4 adjustable heights, so it's easy to get it to the perfect level, whether you're short or a little taller. And the wheels are super smooth. It's got 2 fixed wheels that roll straight without wobbling, which is so nice when you're navigating through an airport or a busy office building. Honestly, it just makes travel a whole lot easier. It's definitely a solid pick if you want something functional and stylish for work or just trips. And I hope this video helps.